Hey, in this video, I will show you how to turn on location services on your iPhone. If the video helped you out, slap the like button and subscribe, and let's start. I will show you how to turn location services on your iPhone, but I'll also show you how to tweak them depending on your apps. So you want to go ahead and open up your settings. From there, you want to go down until you find privacy and settings right here. Please click on it, and here you have the toggle option on and off. If you click on it, location services right at the top, you can switch it off or on. For example, in some apps, you obviously want location like Google Maps or apps or maps. And for example, when we click on the App Store, if this is a particular app that you do not want to always follow your location, you can switch it to never, ask next time, or when I share, or something else. Plus, you can toggle precise location off if you like. So if the video helped you out, slap the like button, and if you still have any issues, let me know in the comment section down below.